Good morning, friends. He is Mr. Bharat Bhai. He's coming from USA. I just want to introduce this guy because this guy is he is lucky for me. Whatever the success I have, he's the first patient of my life who has trusted me. And after 6 years, he's coming back to me again. So whatever you can see the success behind me or a YouTube silver button or everything, he was the first person who has done hair transplant with me. So he will share his experience after 6 years. What is his experience? And I completely he has so many obligations on me, so I am very much thankful to him. Bharat bhai, please share. He has little bit slurred speech because he had some medical issues after so many years like of transplantation, but he has completely good feeling on me, and he will explain about his experience.
Yeah, I did hair transplant in 2018, somewhere around 20th of February, and since 6 years, I am. The result is terrific. I mean, not a uh, single doubt about it that you cannot go wrong. And what more can I say?
So you are like, I just want to say that you are lucky to me. You are coming back to
No,
me again for your some procedure.
no, I am lucky that you have to perform this surgery
You
on
have
me.
trusted me because first patient after coming from medical school, uh, when I started my clinic on 18th February 2018, and he was the first person on that day that he was from US. He was trusted me that no, you will going to do it because he can go to US, he can go to Turkey, he can go anywhere, and he has
Right.
trusted me. And because of his, we Indians always feel that कोई ना पग जो है वो पाँव भी होते हैं वो सुकून दे के जाते हैं, तो उनके
No,
पाँव
no,
मुझे
no.
वो गुजराती में कहीं फड़िया से, तो आई एम completely happy
No,
that
it's
you are.
my pleasure. It's my pleasure.
And Mayuri Ben is also a very good example because he had so many medical issues a year or 2 years back, and she is supporting him completely. So I feel completely good about Mayuri Ben, and whatever Bharat Bhai is right now, she is a backbone of Bharat Bhai. And whatever you want
No.
to say about Bharat Bhai and me, you can tell.
Thank you, thank you. He did very, very good job, and he's still doing a good job. That's all I can say.
Thank you
And
very
thank you
much.
very
Thank you
much.
Thank
so
you
much.
very much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
Thank
very
you.
much.
Thank you.